This is our math practice from page 132. I'm going to start with the sample. One thing that we know if we've been reading along in the book that we're talking about gumballs here, and the mass of 10 gumballs is equal to 21.4 grams. And so the question we're asked is how much does 50 gumballs weigh? Now, I realize you're telling yourself, well, I can just multiply that by 5 and we're good. But I want to show you how to do it with unit conversions like we learned about in chapter 1. So we know that 10 gumballs is equal to 24 grams. So that means there's two different unit conversions I could write. I could either write 10 gumballs over 21.4 grams, or I could write 21.4 grams over 10 gumballs. I can write either of those because remember, a unit conversion is a fraction that's equal to 1. And as long as the numerator and denominator are equal, that fraction is equal to 1. So which one do I use depends on what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 50 gumballs. So we start by writing down 50 gumballs. And we choose our unit conversion because we want the unit of gumballs to cancel and we want the unit of grams to come out of it. So I'm going to put up my times and my fraction bar here. I look at the unit I have here. That's the unit I want down here so that I can cancel them. So I look at my two unit conversion factors and I say, this is the one I want to use. 10 gumballs, 21.4 grams. Okay, you multiply the 50 times the 21.4, divide by 10, and you get 107. Cancel out the gumballs, and we're left with grams. So that's how you do the unit conversions there. And in the practice that you'll do, numbers 1 through 3 on page 32, they're going to ask you to find the mass of even more gumballs. They'll ask you a question about eggs, and they'll ask you a question about a football player. So if you have any questions, let me know.